right, and good morning everyone. Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. It is Thursday, March 16th. You can see off to our left, Atlanta Motor Speedway. Brand new track. I'm gonna be camping in the infield just like Daytona last month. And I'm getting ready to check in and go find out how everything's gonna work out. Thanks for joining me, guys. We'll be uploading this video with some Nomad internet. You'll find a link below in the video description how I will be uploading all of my videos this weekend, pretty much live, guys, with the Nomad Air. Click below for 10% off your discount. Here we go. It's always a little different when you're visiting something new. It's going to be nothing like Daytona or Fontana in California last year. Things are just going to be completely new experience. As you can see, some RVs off to our left. These are all going to be outside the stadium campers who are going to go into the grandstands in front of us. We're going to turn 2 infield camping for it's not the whole week because we're only going Thursday through Monday, where Daytona's Tuesday or Monday through Monday, you know. Let me read these signs here. Blah, 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 blah. Infield, we gotta turn right. We'll figure it out, right? We're gonna figure this out. Weather-wise, we're in for a cold weekend, y'all. It's gonna be freezing one night, I know that, and then there's a bunch of rain expected tomorrow. Sunday looks good. Cold, but good. So we'll get our bearings straight here and figure everything out and see where we're supposed to go. As we approach turn 1 here, you can see, well, this is the back side of the bank, essentially here, of turn 1. Pretty cool. Hey, how about Harvick, by the way? Wearing my Harvick shirt. Harvick is in first place in the NASCAR Cup standings without even winning a race. You do not have to win races to win and get first place. You just gotta finish those races in a really good way. Infield tunnel this way. That's completely blocked off. I don't know, we're gonna have to keep going because that's blocked off. William Byron, the number 24 car, has won 2 back-to-back races, including last weekend, and he's still, I think, 29th place overall. Kevin Harvick is in first place right now. I know, it's early. It's early in the season. There's no races today. There's no qualifying. There's nothing going on the track today. It's just a check-in day. I'm gonna go over here to the left because I think we're getting close. Hey, look at this sign directly in front of us. Infield camper staging for Atlanta Motor Speedway. Now we know. All right, now I believe we are in the right place. Got Tater Tot behind us. We are staging here in the lot. They're gonna do the like an inspection sort of thing. And then supposedly between this and the front gate, there's a will call to pick up my ticket package and stuff. But ooh, they're moving. They're moving in that line right there. So maybe not too long, we're gonna be inside. Holy cow. I didn't film it, but so an hour later, I just had 3 people inside my RV. Guys, they are not messing around. He's opening every single inside my RV with my 2 cats in here. He's going like this and stuff. I'm like, what the? Then he opened my fridge. Looked in my fridge in the bathroom. He comes back here, starts opening my cupboards. I'm like, what are you guys looking for? I've never seen anything like this at a NASCAR race. Had to search the car and everything, and I guess we passed, so we're good. That was intense though, man. Now we wait for another guy to come around so they can give us our wristbands and vehicle passes and get us going. I think, okay, they're doing that row over there. So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 more rows and then we'll go. Might be dark by the time we get checked in Atlanta. Holy cow. Opie did really good. The first guy just kind of opened the door and I was like, oh, you guys are going inside? Yeah, we all need to go inside and do an inspection. Like, okay, well, I got cats, so I don't know how this is gonna work, but Opie did good, tear ahead. You know, this isn't a week-long thing like Daytona where I had 7 cases of beer, 7 24 packs, just 4 24 packs of Busch Light. But, well, that's not true because the fridge is loaded up and I've also got my other 40 quart cooler loaded up with bush light, plugged into my power station so I can just grab and go at the campground. I'll probably take it out of the car and kind of set it outside camp, but I'm really excited about my campsite because we're gonna be next to, I know I said in my last video, I said turn 4, look for me in turn 4. I was wrong, it's turn 2. It's turn 2, just like right where the tunnel's at, and I have an edge spot. So if I park correctly, I won't have any neighbors on this side, just like a driveway. So be interesting. I don't know how much longer. Look at this Atlanta Motor Speedway. Here we go. I'm gonna stop here because there's stop signs and I don't want to get in trouble, but I probably didn't have to. Oh wow. Oh, there's 3 lanes. There's actually 3 lanes of traffic here. That is interesting. Oh, this is beautiful. What a nice sunny day. We won't mention the fact that it's only 48 degrees, but woohoo! Yeah! All right, so I think I know where I need to go, and it's right there where that American and Canadian flag are. So I'm gonna switch lanes here real quick. I had to anyway. And then we'll kind of make a hard right turn here. All right, and after all that, we're these are huge, huge sites, guys. They're still 40 by 20, so same thing as Daytona, but it seems way different with my front yard. And, you know, having Tater Tot across the way, because those are our parking spots there too. There's the backstretch view. So this is all my front yard with the driveway right here. And I'm gonna get set up. Gotta put the cat crate thing out here, although there's no grass. Put my flags up. First things first. It's time to grab a cold one. It's gonna be a weird race because of course I wanna root for Harvick, but I'm also rooting for Ty Dillon and Corey LaJoie, so it'll just be that way this year. My neighbors are Harvick fans too. Hey guys.
Hello.
They're from Ontario, right?
Hello.
Ontario Harvick fans, so this will be a good little corner here for the weekend. Yeah, the big race on Sunday. We had a double header on Saturday. Because tomorrow it's going to be moist. It's going to be really, really, really wet. And there's nothing going on the track tomorrow, we don't think. So Saturday doubleheader, the big Cup Series race on Sunday. Yeah. I'm excited. I love NASCAR, guys. I'm just sitting here watching all the rigs come in the tunnel. But I'm also noticing that angle looks very similar to the bank of Daytona, and no matter how many RVs there are, it's just going to be a great view all weekend because that opening right there. So, and we still haven't even climbed up on the roof to see what the roofs look like. I do have the cat corral set up. It's just a little difficult to get stakes in because look at our campsites, guys. They're rock. It's not grass like Daytona or Fontana. So, Tara Bear, are you chasing your brusher? You're such a good girl. Opie dopey. Where's all the other kitties at the campground? We should invite some kitties in the playpen, huh? We should. Oh my goodness. Dad, give me some toys. I need some toys in here. Terry, you need some toys? No, Dad. It's gonna make Opie frisky, and then he's gonna run around and drive me crazy, Dad. Oh, okay. Well, I got the cooler set up, plugged into the outlet, running off solar. My little mini speaker there, and gonna be setting up the projector here and see if any of my camping friends want to see a NASCAR related movie tonight. You know, I was thinking about Cars, Disney's Pixar Cars, or Days of Thunder, a real classic, or my choice would be Talladega Nights with Will Ferrell. So I got the projector mount right here, and we may do that. But man, I really, 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 really like this venue, guys, so far. Even though it doesn't start until Thursday instead of Monday. 4 days, 4 nights. But still, yeah. Turn some music on. See you guys in a little bit. All right, let's hop up on the roof and see what our view is up there. And don't be mad, Harvick. I'm not trading you in. It's just you're retiring, so you know I got to root for a couple others. Because I've only been to 2 other tracks. Daytona, what, 5 or 6 times, and Fontana in California. Oh my gosh. What? I mean, look at this, guys. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit just so you can see the actual track. There's the grandstands in the front stretch. And then going into turn 1 here. Look at this. This is the actual, we can literally see the track from the roof the whole way around turn 1. Keep going. Then we're getting to the tunnel, which again, nobody can park in front of us. There's Tater Tot. This is our actual view. as a monster Class A diesel pusher comes in, towing a big old truck, right? Look at that bank. There's an RV for, so you can see how much of the track he covers. We've still got pretty much the whole track view. You don't need grandstand tickets at Atlanta, guys. Coming around turn 2 here, all the way across the back stretch. And again, if we zoom in, I just want you to see that we can still see the track all the way into turn 3 now. Yeah, the whole track coming to turn 4. Back into the grandstands of Atlanta Motor Speedway. There's no obstructions except my Beer Me flag. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I am really, really impressed with Atlanta Motor Speedway so far. And they're still bringing RVs in the tunnel. Still. Also, is that solar pin? Like, I think it's a deck on his truck. I think it's a deck, yeah. They'll be rolling in. Let's get that thumbnail for YouTube. No, maybe the right there with the flags. Chink! This is great. This is awesome, guys. America! I'm out here exploring in Tater Tot, looking to see what's going on in the infield. There's something very unique about this track that Daytona definitely does not have, at least for free. They have a dump station in the infield and a blue faucet drinking water there. Pretty cool. Talked to the gentleman filling up some water jugs in there. There's also 2 free dump stations water outside of the stadium, the track also, but infield dump station water. You can bring a bladder, a bucket or something. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I made me I was gonna say Daytona, an Atlanta burger. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And they're doing some charity laps. You can drive your registered vehicle around the track. It can't be an RV, but Tater Tot could go. But yeah, they're doing some fun laps around the track here. Yeah, got the projector screen up for the movie tonight. And weather-wise, our highs for the next 4 days, including tomorrow, when it's going to rain all day, 63, 52, 48 on Sunday, and 56 on Monday. Our lows, 49 tonight, not even close to freezing, 33 on Friday, 29 on Saturday, 28 on Sunday, race day, and 29 on Monday when we leave. Cold, cold. Showing off my Daytona. I didn't get a jacket this year. I got a hoodie. Little unique, a little different. I really like the colors though. All right, got Tater Tot lit up there across the way. We got turn 2 here. Still some cars going around. It's funny because you can't even hear them. They're all Honda Civics and I don't know. Playing some Morgan Wallen, getting my focus straight here so we can watch a movie here later. Heck yeah. Pretty awesome.
I'm here for career day with my son Ricky.
Watching Talladega Nights. Hell yeah, brother. Ah, I can't wait. I can't wait. Good times at the track. I love camping at tracks.
I'm a volunteer fireman.
And then to close out night 1, Thursday night, it is just a sea of generators everywhere. Nobody is used to the cold here in Atlanta this time of year. It's not gonna freeze tonight. However, pretty much everybody is going to run their generators all night. And it's loud. It's loud, yeah. Well, I am gonna be running my propane furnace. My propane catalytic heater tonight. Won't be making any sound. I'll have to make sure that I keep my windows closed because of all the generator use around me. Gotta stay warm, I get it. It's just 4 nighs. We'll make it through it, my kitties. Oh, my Terra cuddling with the pizza pillow. And my Nomad Air, I'm gonna upload my video tonight. I gotta get this going. I gotta do some work tonight, Terra Bear. All right, girlfriend, you're so sweet. You're such a good girl. Where's Opie? Where's Hems? You're not gonna tell me. I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna find that boy. There's that boy! What a good boy, Opie Double Dopalies! We had 3 people come by specifically to see Opie tonight. Literally. 3 viewers found me I've been posting on Instagram here live and Patreon. So everybody wants to see the kitties and get a sticker because they're such good kitties. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I gotta put everything away that I brought out tonight. Projector, speakers, portable power station chairs. Gotta put the, it's going to pour tomorrow, Friday, live. As you guys watch this, it's going to be very moist. Nothing going on tomorrow. I'm thinking about taking y'all out to Atlanta with me and Tater Tot. Like to see some of Atlanta? We'll see. All right, you guys be well. Opie and Tara and I will see you in a couple days. And of course, keep showing you all the races. And the big one Sunday, go Harvick and Corey LaJoy and Ty Dillon. Woo! NASCAR, man, yeah, woo!